emerging from COVID-19, another virus is now spreading terror, and its name is Mpox virus, also known as monkeypox. This virus has currently reached 116 countries, and cases have also been found in India's neighboring country, Pakistan. On the other hand, considering the threat of Mpox, WHO has declared it a global health emergency. This virus is causing the most havoc in Africa. According to reports, more than 30,000 cases of this virus have been reported in Africa, and more than 500 people have died due to it. In such a scenario, it is a red alert for India as well. We will tell you how much of a threat this virus poses to India, but before that, it is important for you to know whether the Mpox virus is spreading for the first time or if there have been cases before. So let me tell you that this virus was first discovered in monkeys in 1958, then it got spread to humans. That means this virus can spread from animals to humans. The first human case of monkeypox was reported in 1970. At that time, a 9-month-old child from Congo was infected with it. The child developed rashes all over his body. Let me tell you that most cases reported for Mpox were in the year 2022, which affected more than 70 countries, after which WHO declared this disease global emergency for the first time. During that period, cases of monkeypox were also reported in India. 20 infected people were found in the country, most of whom were those who had returned to India after traveling abroad. One of these patients infected with monkeypox in Kerala also died. However, most of the patients had mild symptoms, so the infection did not spread much in India. But this time, situation is different. Because this time, monkeypox, now called Mpox, is rapidly spreading across the world. The Public Health Agency has stated that the virus currently spreading is the same strain that has been growing in the Democratic Republic of Congo since September 2023 and is known as Clade 1B strain, which has caused several deaths. Let me tell you that Democratic Republic of Congo is a country located in Central Africa, which is the second largest country in Africa and largest French-speaking country in the world. This is where the new viral strain was found. The new viral strain first appeared outside DRC in September 2023, after which the virus began spreading to other countries. According to latest information, around 1100 people have died from this virus since 2023. Now, this virus has affected 116 countries. In such a situation, it is important for you to know how much of a threat this virus poses to India. In 2022, it did not have much impact on India, but in 2024, with cases rising rapidly, India needs to stay alert. The virus could spread in India as it spread similarly to how COVID-19 did, which means coming in contact with others, touching and shaking hands. That means Mpox is also a contagious virus that spreads from one person to another. With a population of over 140 crores and many social gatherings, India also needs to be cautious. We have all witnessed how uncontrollable the COVID-19 cases became across the country, leading to many deaths. In such a scenario, to prevent a similar situation from arising, there is a need to stay alert. Now, as cases of Mpox have been reported in the neighboring country of Pakistan, it is a warning bell for India too. However, there is no need to panic, but everyone needs to be cautious. Now, let's understand the symptoms of this virus. The symptoms of Mpox are similar to those of chickenpox. A person infected with the Mpox virus can develop red inflamed pimples or ulcer on the skin, which can last for 2 to 4 weeks. The patient may experience high fever, sore throat, headache, muscle pain, back pain, extreme fatigue, and swollen lymph nodes. Now let's understand how to prevent Mpox. Avoid contact with infected person. If you have a flu-like symptoms along with facial rashes, consult a doctor. Avoid traveling to countries where the virus has spread. Avoid unsafe sexual relations. For your information, in most of the cases, Mpox recovers on its own, but some people can become seriously ill. So far, there is no vaccine or specific medication for this disease. The treatment is done based on the patient's symptoms. However, doctors use antiviral drugs to control the patient's illness. So, if you notice any such symptoms, do not ignore them, and instead of panicking, just stay alert and stay safe. That's all for this video. Please like and share the video. Namaste. Jai Hind.